Howdy, howdy. My name is Justin Knapp with Teak and Oak. I have Ramya here, who is our project manager, Noor Honawi, who is a team member, as well as myself. Um, for this presentation, we're kind of going to go over our project, a little bit of background. Teak and Oak is a furniture mart and is selling furniture and home accessories. However, the company has seen a recent decline in its business just due to not having a very functional website. We want to further expand the website online. Uh, so our objective here is establishing a better web presence and increasing our visibility and expanding our sales to be more online. By doing this, we hope to attract new customers and provide more appealing content to our users. We want it also to be built so that it's responsive on the mobile device and make it more intuitive to use for them and make sure that they are easily able to find the information they're looking for on the website. The problem with the current website is that it's a basic website that is very difficult to update. It has few and far between features. The current website also does not showcase all the products we get in a timely fashion. Updating the website also requires lengthy maintenance and causes outages and just overall didn't work efficiently. Our solution, we wanted to build a lightweight application that's faster and easier for our clients to use. We also wanted it to be hosted on DigitalOcean so anybody can update it anywhere without being connected into the server directly. And we want it built on WordPress so it doesn't take somebody who is an expert on coding to update. So it's much cheaper to update in the future. And on top of this, you get analytics and metrics to adjust the business. So we know what products are getting attention from our customers and which ones are being sold more often. So we implemented some features on the WordPress site that allows many different products to be sorted in their different categories. It also allows for customers to place orders without needing assistance from the owner. That way the owner can set it and forget it. Email confirmations we have going out to customers so they can track the orders. And the website is simple and responsive, following a more standard shopping website structure. So guests and customers are able to find what they're looking for. Users can also sign up or log into an account and lets them track their order and subscribe to mailing lists for further sales in the future. The integrated social media buttons on the bottom of the site allow for the user to visit our Facebook and Twitter so they can follow us on social media platforms. The new website is also able to easily update hundreds or thousands of products via CSV update, which is attached to each product using their SKU. The customer can also search for products just based on the name of the product in case they want to look for it again in the future. And the customer can provide emails, reviews, and star ratings on the product so they're able to see which product was good, which product was bad. And that way the owners can see that there's a problem with a product. Hey, the product doesn't match the description. It helps us do something with it. The integrated chat with us feature provides an immediate support to the customer inquiries as well. So you can have a team member speaking with guests or customers on the questions that they have. Does this come in blue? Is this in inches? How long will it take to get there? And other questions like that. So we use WordPress as the content management system. E-commerce support is hosted through WooCommerce. Our cloud provider is DigitalOcean. Our templating is built through PHP and HTML. Our database is a basic MySQL database. The styling across the website is CSS, and the scripting we use is built in WordPress's JavaScript and jQuery through their plugins. So we faced a couple problems with building up the website. The website would crash due to a lack of memory. Certificates wouldn't install via WordPress nor DigitalOcean. And uploading content item by item was very time consuming. Lack of memory we solved by upgrading to the next tier of DigitalOcean, only cost us $5 more. Security certificates would install, so we installed certificates via CertBot and set it to renew automatically every time they expire. And uploading content item by item, we had a solution where we could bulk update products via CSV onto the WordPress site, which made it very efficient, with the exception of image, is to import new products. Please let us know if there are any questions regarding our products in our discussion. Stay connected. We're going to kind of go over a demonstration of not only the front end, but the back end. Here's kind of a preview of our cloud hosting service, DigitalOcean. Here is our Teak and Oak project. Here it kind of gives you a little bit of a dashboard on everything. How well is it running? How much of our CPU is being used? How much of our memory, our disk space, as well as it lets you restart the server, and if we need, we can upgrade it. And it's very easy to upgrade because you can go to the resize function and then you can upgrade. If all of a sudden we needed more than 2 gigabytes of memory and more than 25 gigabytes of SSD, we'd be able to easily do that just by powering down the droplet, upgrading the droplet, and rebooting it. So right now it's very cheap to run the website. It's $10 a month. And if the company grows and expands as their sales and they get more traction to the website, we can keep upgrading it to meet the needs of the company.
Hello, my name is Noor Hanawi, and I'm a team member with Teak and Oak, and I will be showing you guys how to navigate and use our newly and updated website. On our homepage, we do have just a few products that are available to quickly add to the cart, and we also have an area for users to go ahead and enter their email address to be added to our email subscription list. To go ahead and start shopping, users can click on the shop button, and this will bring them to our shop page with all of our products listed in here, where they can sort by popularity, rating, prices. And if users would like to narrow it down to a specific category, we have many categories listed on the left. So for example, I can go into the kids category, and we can just go ahead and add this to our cart, and you will be able to see on the top right that it has been added to our cart. Another way that we can look for products is by using the search tab. So for example, we can just search Disney, and this will bring us to anything that has Disney included in its title, and we can be able to add that to the cart as well. And for any additional information, it adds the dimensions. We can look at reviews and see what others are talking about. We can look at related products and see if we might be interested in those. So we will click on that, on the cart button. And we also have the ability to go ahead and add promos. So we will just use this promo code, and you can see that it has been applied to the order. So what we can do is we can go ahead and start the checkout process. And if we are returning customers, we can log in. Since we already have a coupon added, we won't be able to use another one. So we can go ahead and start testing this out. And we will just put in some information in here. And we have the ability to actually create an account through here. We can select a different address to ship to if we would like to gift it. If there's any special notes for delivery, to leave it outside, if we need a signature required at the delivery. And we can also click on this button where it says, yes, I'm okay with sending additional newsletter and email content. And that's kind of the email subscription list that I was talking about earlier. So once we make sure that we have the items that we needed in the cart, we can make sure that the prices is right, our coupon has been added, and we can go ahead and enter our credit card information in here. And we can use an expiration date. And we can also save payment information in our account if we do have an account for future purchases. And we can go ahead and place our order. And this is what the invoice would look like. Some more features that we have is that we have a reach us page where customers will be able to see who we are, what we do, and if they have any questions, they can go ahead and submit in here. In addition to our products page, we have a deals page as well where we list all of our products that are currently on sale for all of users to see. And if you see something on sale this week that you didn't see last week, we can inquire about that where we have a chat with us function. And we can see that an agent is typing. And we can go ahead and get some our questions answered with that. And we also have a telephone number for all of our users to reach us. And we can see that we have some more replies back from our agent.
Hello, I'm Ramya and I'm the project manager for the Teak and Oak project. And today I have with you the Teak and Oak website page. And I have got the administrator access for this website. And that is why I see the toolbar on the top. And today I'm going to walk you through the administrative panel of Teak and Oak. So this is the dashboard, provided by WordPress. And here WordPress offers a lot of customization and settings that makes things easier for you. Today I'm going to walk you through a few common things that are important for any technical person who would be maintaining this website. So the first thing I would want to show you here is the new button. So this is a shortcut for if you want to add any media or content type into the website, you can use this shortcut to immediately add it. So a technical person can add a page, like if they want to add a new page for a seasonal promotion or a product promotion, they can add a new page and they can add new products and they can add new coupons, and they can add users manually through the new button here. So I will go into the products option here and show you how to add a new product. So you can go into the products dashboard and hit on the add new product. If you want to manually add 1 or 2 products, then you can give the name of the product here, and you can update the product images, and you can bulk upload the product gallery, a list of gallery images here. And then you can go and give a quick short description for the product and set the product specific attributes here. Like you can set the price of the product, and if it's on a sale, then do the sale price and set up the taxable class for this product. And the technical person can update the inventory for the product, like give the SKU number and manage the stocks. And if the inventory is out of stock, then change the status to out of stock. And once the inventory is back full, then you can change the product into the in stock status, things like that. And once that's done, you hit on the publish, and it's all set to be displayed on the Teak and Oak website. And you can also bulk upload products on the dashboard using the import button here. So for Teak and Oak, that is what we did here. So we imported all the products into a CSV file, and using the import module that was provided by WordPress, you can upload a CSV file. That way we were able to upload hundreds of products in one shot there. The next thing I would like to show you is the product categories. So we had added several categories for the products, and when you add the product, you can mark the product categories here, and you easily add a new category like a seasonal promotion, or any new category that's coming up on the website can be easily added and customized here. The next important module I would like to show you here is the payment module. So the payment dashboard gives all the payments that were happened, on what day the payment was received, and what was the bank account that the payment was received from, and the status of the payment, whether it's paid or it's pending. And the accounting team can also track if there are any disputes or if there are any failed transaction, and they can configure the settings of the payment module using the settings dashboard too. The next thing I would like to walk you here is the analytics dashboard. This is one other important thing for the Teak and Oak management to monitor their sales and performance on a monthly or a yearly basis. So this dashboard gives the total sales, the net sales, and how many orders were made and how many items were sold, the total number of page views, and how many visitors have visited the site. So they can track it on a day-to-day basis or on a yearly basis. And here the charts are wonderful. It gives you a comparison of the products of the previous year and how many sales were done in the current year. So you can make such comparisons here of the net sales, and you can compare the number of orders also. It can be done day by day, or it can be done on a monthly basis too. There are more information on this analytics dashboard here, like it gives the top categories in which the items were sold, or the top products. So the product which had more number of sales, and the total quantity that was sold, and what was the net sale from that product. So this analytics lets the business and accounting team to plan on their marketing strategies for the upcoming year. So they have to see on plans to increase their revenues on, and how many promotions they can give. They can give more coupons, and to plan on their marketing strategy. The next thing I would like to walk you through here is the SMTP. We had set up a WordPress SMTP server, so that way any purchases are made, immediately mails are sent over to the customers on their order confirmation. And if there are any orders that are canceled, then there's an immediate email confirmation being sent out to the users. And there are other few things where email needs to be sent, like a forgot password page, or an payment not there was a pending payment, or the payment failed. So there are immediate email notifications sent through the SMTP server we set. Apart from this, WordPress offers us many other customizations, like you can configure the themes, you can customize your stylings and themes for the page, and you can add new administrative users. And we use the PHP module to add more templating and PHP code here. And we have also used jQuery and JavaScript modules to set up the functionalities for the website. So that's it I have on the backend panel. For any technical user who would be maintaining this site, it should be easy and it should not take a long time to learn it. And WordPress offers it, makes things easier on the technical person. Thank you for staying connected with us today on our demonstration. Thank you.